What if we never find that perfect chicken? What if that's just some kind of crazy pipe dream? What then?
Oh, my poor, sweet, deluded brother. Of course it's out there, and of course it's worth chasing. Why, we cannot accept defeats after 4 or 5 planets. We must dream the impossible dream. We must fight the unbeatable foe. We must bear with unbearable sorrow to run where the brave dare not go. Right the unrightable wrong, to love pure and chaste from afar, to try when your arms are too weary, to reach the unreachable star. This is my quest, to follow that star, no matter how hopeless, no matter how far, to fight for the right without question or pause, to be willing to march into hell for a heavenly cause. And I know if I only stay true to this glorious quest, that my heart will lie peaceful and calm when I'm laid to my rest.